Hey guys, today was trying to fix. You can't buy or sell on Facebook Marketplace. So if in the case that you basically face this issue, that you cannot buy or cannot sell as well on the Facebook Marketplace, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this problem step by step. So what we need to do, in order for us to solve this issue is, well, the best fix, according to my information, is actually just proceed with creating a new Facebook account. Now the reason as to why, well, the Facebook application bans us from buying or selling on the Facebook Marketplace, is we could have been selling something on Facebook Marketplace that goes against its rules and regulations and its guidelines. So this could be a reason as to why we are experiencing bans like this. So basically, in the reference to solve that problem, if we can attest to Facebook's claim of basically banning us from the application, we can actually proceed with using the application once more and selling on Facebook. But if in the case that you are experiencing some issues and you still cannot sell, the best fix that we can actually do to solve this issue is to proceed with just creating a new Facebook account altogether. So if you'd like to go ahead and basically solve this issue, the best way is to just go ahead and just create a new Facebook account altogether and then proceed with using that to sell on your Facebook application. So go ahead and try it out yourselves, guys, and create a new one altogether. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.